Hi, I'm Rock Tyson with Ken Tool, and today I'm going to show you some tips and techniques on how to use the new Blue Cobra to demount some truck tires. But first, before I actually use the tool, I'll show you the traditional way a truck tire technician might change a truck tire using just tire bars. As with every tire change, you want to make sure you have plenty of good lube on the tire. I like to use our BDs. Get that right down there in the bead, works well. Now using a couple of standard T45 tire bars, the technician put the tire bars in like this. Get that top tire bead off. Okay. Top tire bead is off. Then he would have to stand this up. Insert the tire bar, then leverage the wheel out, just like that. Now you see it wasn't too difficult. It took me a minute or two, but now I'm going to show you how I do it with the Ken Tool Blue Cobra. Simply insert the bar like that, and walk it over once. Top bead is off. Walk it back down to about knee level. The bottom bead off. Comes off that easily. I'm going to slow it down a little bit and show you a little bit more of the technique. Simply snap in the tool, and as you're pushing it over the top, push the bar towards the wheel. As I'm doing with my hands, pushing down on the bar to keep it engaged. Bring it back around, bring it down to knee level again until you hear the click. Push down again on the bar, and off it comes. It's pretty simple. That's our Blue Cobra from Ken Tool. I shall also show you a quick demo of our new valve breaker. The valve breaker has a hardened steel tip and is used for removing the tire valves. Simply put the tip there in the valve, give it a couple good whacks. Okay, that's it from Ken Tool.